Welcome to the Muso2SixChallenge Challenge. We're challenging you Musos to learn 2 octaves of notes in 6 weeks. Can you do it? Can you do it? Say yes! Yes! Pause this video right now. Seriously, pause this video right now and say yes. Okay, well we're done. We are here to help any student, beginner, self-taught musician, Muso student who is struggling with sight reading notes. Now, if you're doing this free Muso course, it means you have a set of Muso Flash Cards to really help you improve your music notes reading. But if you don't, just head on to our Muso shop and purchase one now. Now, in the Muso2SixChallenge Challenge, we're going to refer our notes on the piano. Please make sure you have a keyboard nearby to help you learn the notes. If you are learning another instrument but also want to improve on your note reading, simply every time I play the note on the piano, you go ahead and play it on your instrument. Alright, let's get serious here. Now, before you begin, please, especially moms, refrain from using acronyms or other frameworks to learn music notes. This is super important. We have taught music notes for so many years, and even at our own academy, there's always that one parent who drags a child behind simply because they think other alternative teaching methods work. But let me tell you, if you are here watching this video doing our Muso2SixChallenge Challenge, it obviously means those frameworks do not work. So please trust Muso Method, trust the framework, trust me, and we can definitely learn 2 octaves of music notes in 6 weeks.